Hello, how are you today? We'll listen today about demonstrative pronouns. Demonstrative pronouns. First of all, yes, here we have this. Yes, this it used for near singular. This it used for near singular. Example: this is my book. This is my book. Yes. The next one, that demonstrative. Yes, that. It used for far singular. It used for far singular. Example: that is my book. That is my book. Yes, number three, pronoun number three, these. Yes. This used for near plural. Near plural. Yes, this used for near plural. Example: these are my books. These are my books. Yes. The last demonstrative pronoun, those. Yes, those. Used for far plural. Again, those used for far plural. Example: those are my pens. Those are my pens.